Good morning, everyone. Welcome back again to the garden with me. It's a beautiful day for me to showing you guys what did I purchase yesterday, guys. I've been having so much chance, guys, to finding my favorite flowers. If you guys know me, my favorite flowers, guys, is hydrangeas. Yesterday I purchased 10 of them and I am so happy. And I also, guys, finding two specific plants I always want to have. Let me showing you guys is those, if you guys see, because right now I don't have no choice to only have evergreen in my garden. Reason why? Because the cool season, guys, kill everything on the garden. The only thing that did survive, those are the evergreen. All my favorite flowers, rare flowers I drive 3 or 4 hours to get, all of them dead. And so far basically none of them come back. Since now I'm into evergreen, guys, I've been searching for different evergreen. This one is a highlight arborvitae. Highlight arborvitae. All right, that's it. Look at this, the new grow, guys. This is this one. I really like it, and that's the color of it. Really the color of it. And let me see, you see how big that one can do? I mean, it's gonna be a good specimen. Look at the color. Really nice. And of course this is hardy to zone 5 to 8 and medium water and well draining soil, no pruning needed. Oh yeah, it's just beautiful. I like her. I got two. There was only two left. I don't know if there was only sending two, but right now any evergreen, guys, who have color, I'm just gonna go. Even she got some, not that much dead branch. She's just pull her out and clean her, and I want to put her on 15 gallon. But guys, I was pressure washing the house, guys. I am so excited. I am sore. That's why this week I think I'm gonna take a break on working on the garden. I'm just after work, I'm just gonna come back and sit down and relaxing, because my body, I have a lot of pain. I am full of pain. I can't even think, guys. That's how much I am so hurt. Yeah, but so far those are those two a variety I get. They change in color, or the new grow, or like the goldish color. I really like it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and have a blessed day.